The primary reason a Miele dishwasher fills with water when powered off is a faulty inlet valve that's stuck open. This valve, normally closed, regulates water flow. Here's how the inlet valve works. Normally closed, it only opens when needed to allow water in. When faulty, the valve stays stuck open, allowing water to flow in continuously. A malfunctioning float switch can also be the culprit. This switch rises with water level to signal the control board to stop inflow. If the float switch fails, it doesn't properly signal when water levels get too high, allowing overflow. The inlet valve, also known as the solenoid valve, controls water flow into the dishwasher. It regulates how much water enters during each cycle. Inside the inlet valve is a solenoid with a coil that creates a magnetic field when energized. This pulls a plunger to open the valve, allowing water to flow. This is what the inlet valve looks like. The solenoid controls the opening while the bracket secures it in place. Mineral buildup from hard water can accumulate on the valve's rubber seal, preventing it from closing properly. Solenoid failure, or a defective seal, can also cause the valve to stick open. When the valve sticks open, water flows continuously even when off. You can test for solenoid failure using a multimeter to check resistance, which should be about 1 to 2 ohms. The float switch is a safety mechanism located in the dishwasher's sump at the bottom. It consists of a buoyant float that rises with the water level and a switch that signals the control board to shut off the water supply when levels get too high. As water fills the dishwasher, the float rises. When it reaches a certain height, the switch activates, cutting power to the inlet valve and preventing overflow. However, if the float is obstructed by debris, rusted, or has wiring faults, it won't rise properly or signal correctly. This allows the dishwasher to continue filling, potentially causing overflow. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help prevent float switch failures. If issues persist, professional inspection may be needed. Before starting any troubleshooting, always unplug the dishwasher to prevent electric shock and ensure your safety. Locate the inlet valve, which is usually at the back of the dishwasher where the water supply hose connects. This solenoid valve controls water flow into the machine. Check the inlet valve for mineral deposits or limescale buildup, which is common in areas with hard water. This buildup can cause the valve to stick open, allowing water to enter when the dishwasher is off. Try cleaning the valve with a vinegar solution. Soak the valve in a mixture of white vinegar and water to dissolve the limescale buildup. Flush thoroughly with water afterward. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, consider replacing the inlet valve. Universal inlet valves are readily available, cost-effective, and can be installed with basic tools. Unplug the dishwasher. Safety first. Disconnecting power prevents any electrical issues during troubleshooting. Locate the float switch in the dishwasher's sump, the bottom collection area where water gathers. It's usually a buoyant component that rises with water levels. Inspect the float switch and surrounding area for any obstructions or debris that might prevent proper movement. Look for buildup, dirt, or foreign objects. Clean the area around the float switch using a soft brush or cloth to remove any debris. Gentle cleaning can often restore proper function without replacement. Manually test the float's movement by gently pushing it up and down. It should move freely without sticking or resistance. If the switch appears damaged or doesn't move easily, replacement is likely necessary. Consult your dishwasher model for the correct part number. Always disconnect the dishwasher from the power supply before attempting any repairs. Turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Use caution when working with electrical components and water to avoid electric shock. If you are not comfortable performing these repairs yourself, consult a qualified appliance repair technician. Newer Miele models from 2024 onwards include app-based diagnostics that can remotely identify problems with valves and float switches, helping to reduce repair expenses. Looking ahead, appliances will feature self-healing capabilities with predictive maintenance through IoT sensors that prevent valve failures before they occur. Be sure to check for firmware updates from Miele to keep your dishwasher running smoothly. Check if your Miele dishwasher model is subject to voluntary recalls for inlet valve defects. For example, the 2023 G4000 recall affected 200,000 units globally due to design flaws in the rubber seal, leading to spontaneous water filling. Miele provides free replacements to prevent water damage and mold growth. To prevent issues, perform regular descaling to remove mineral buildup that can cause inlet valves to stick. Clean with vinegar solutions or biodegradable cleaners at least once a year. This addresses 50% of common failures, according to experts. Hard water can exacerbate mineral buildup on valves. Consider installing a water softener to reduce calcium and magnesium deposits, which can prevent up to 30% of repair needs, according to industry reports. By staying informed about recalls and implementing these prevention measures, you can keep your Miele dishwasher running smoothly and avoid unexpected water issues.